Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we uncover the best products on the market so you don't have to.
Today, we're diving into the world of interior car cleaners, specifically targeting those pesky stains left behind by our furry friends.
That's right, we're talking about the best interior car cleaner for Dog Slobber Chemical Guys SPI_191_16 lightning fast carpet and upholstery stain extractor. If you're a pet owner like me, you know the struggle of keeping your car's interior clean and fresh. From muddy paw prints to drool stains, our furry companions can leave quite a mess behind. But fear not, because Chemical Guys has come to the rescue with their lightning-fast stain extractor.
Let's dive into why this product is a game-changer for pet owners everywhere. First off, what sets this product apart is its super powerful stain-extracting formula.
Whether it's fabric, upholstery, or carpet, this extractor penetrates deep to dissolve tough stains, then emulsifies and lifts dirt and debris to the surface. Say goodbye to those stubborn slobber spots. But what really impressed me is how easy it is to use. No need for vigorous scrubbing or brushing, simply spray, agitate, then wipe. It's that simple. Plus, it's gentle on fabric, so you don't have to worry about damaging your car's interior. And let's not forget about the odor-eliminating enzymes blended into this cleaner. Say goodbye to that lingering doggy smell and hello to a fresh, clean scent. So there you have it, folks. Chemical Guys SPI_191_16 lightning fast carpet and upholstery stain extractor, the ultimate solution for tackling dog slobber and other tough stains in your car. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and as always, happy cleaning.